Today we're making mực sao dứa, Vietnamese sautéed squid and pineapple. This is one of my favorite dishes for a family weeknight dinner. Squid and pineapple may sound like a strange combination of ingredients, but they work incredibly well together. And really, is it stranger than pineapple and ham on pizza? The pineapple provides a bright sweetness and acidity, which brings out the subtle flavor of the squid while also making it more tender. Whenever we had this for dinner growing up, I would always look forward to when the delicious sweet and savory sauce was the only thing left on the plate so that I could pour it over the rest of my rice. Honestly, it probably is my favorite part of the dish. I also have a vegan version of this dish using king oyster mushrooms instead of squid, and seriously, it's just as good. King oyster mushrooms have a meaty, chewy texture, and they make the perfect squid replacement. For this recipe, of course, we'll need squid and pineapple. To make this even easier, you can buy pre-cut squid rings and pre-cut pineapple from the grocery store. Other ingredients that we'll need are leafy or Chinese celery. You can also use the green tops of Western celery, a few stalks of green onion, an onion, garlic, ginger, optional, 1 or more bird's eye chili, fish sauce, and bouillon. Let's get started.
If you bought frozen squids, let them thaw. If your squids are whole, separate the head, cut to discard the quill, ink sac, innards, eyes, and beak. Although the spotty skin is edible, I prefer to remove it. You should be able to easily peel the skin away from the body of the squid. Once done, rinse them with salt water, especially the inside of the tube, to remove any ink, sand, or guts. Here they are all cleaned. Now we'll cut the tubes into 1 to 1.5 centimeter thick rings. Now our pineapple. Cut off the top and bottom of the pineapple. With the pineapple standing upright, slice your knife from top to bottom to remove the peel. Repeat this all the way around the pineapple. The eyes of a pineapple are arranged in straight diagonal lines. Find one of these lines and make 2 45-degree angle cuts on either side to carve out a V-shaped trench right where the eyes are. I try to take out 3 to 4 eyes in one go. After doing this to 1 full line of eyes, you should have a trench that curves around the pineapple like so. Repeat for the rest. This is what your pineapple should look like when you're done. To remove the core of the pineapple, I like quartering it lengthwise like so. The core has a distinct, tougher texture than the flesh of the pineapple. You should be able to see where the two parts meet. Cut a straight line from top to bottom to remove the core. Cut the pineapple into bite size. I like cutting each quarter in half lengthwise, then into slices crosswise. Carefully wash your celery to remove any dirt, cut to remove the root end, then cut into 3 to 4 centimeter lengths. Cut to remove root end of green onions, then cut into 3 to 4 centimeter lengths. Peeled and thinly sliced white onion. I like to do this by cutting the onion into quarters lengthwise. Then cutting into thin slices pole to pole. Peel and mince garlic. Peel and mince ginger. Here I'm just cutting off any dry bits and knobs before peeling. With ginger, I like cutting it into thin slices first. Then piling up those slices and cut into strips. Then rotate those strips, finely dice, and then mince. Slice bird's eye chili diagonally if you're using. Heat a pan on medium and add vegetable oil. Add the minced ginger and garlic. Sauté for a minute or so until fragrant. Add in the squid, along with fish sauce. Sauté until just cooked. This should only take 2 to 3 minutes. Be careful to not overcook, as the squid would become rubbery. Remove the squid to a bowl and set aside. Return the pan to the stove and add more oil. Add in the white onion and pineapple. Sauté until the onion is translucent. Add in the celery and green onion, along with the bouillon. Sauté until the greens are wilted. Add the squid back in. You can also add the sliced chili here or use it as garnish at the end. Stir and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Season with more bouillon and fish sauce to taste. And that's it. Remove from heat, plate, and serve with rice.
Let's taste. Pineapple, piece of squid. That is so good. I love sweet and savory dishes, and this is just the best. The pineapple is sweet but acidic, and paired with the squid. Now with some rice. Some onion, some celery, small piece of pineapple, green onion, and a piece of squid. Gotta add the sauce. The perfect bite. There's so many flavors happening here. It's so good. This sauce. Ooh, perfect.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel and visit mmbonapetit.com for more Vietnamese and French recipes.